Creating a tornado in a bottle is a fascinating way to explore the science of vortexes at home. By connecting two plastic bottles with a narrow opening and partially filling one with water, you introduce the key components for this mesmerizing experiment. As you swirl the water-filled bottle vigorously and flip it, gravity and centrifugal force work together to form a swirling vortex that mimics a tornado. This experiment not only captivates, but also explains the dynamic motion of air and liquids under varying pressures. It's a simple yet powerful demonstration of nature's physics, easily achievable with household items.